All right, good day, everyone. My name is John Kunyajai. Welcome to Salesforce How To Series. In this video, you will learn with an illustration. The illustration says create a case through a screen flow, relate a case to an account record, and create a new task upon case creation through the action element. In implementing this illustration, you will learn how to use get record element, create record element, create new task through action element in Flow Builder. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos even as we post them on Salesforce How To Series. So quickly, let's jump into our flow and create our flow through the illustration that we were given. We are creating screen flow. Remember, our illustration says that we should create a case through a screen flow and relate the case through to an account record, So there's a need for us to, and then also create a new task upon case creation. So there's a need for us to create new resources, about two of them, two variables. It's a variable. The first one is called record ID. That type is test. What value? Sorry. And is available for input. Record ID, the type is test and is available for input. Okay, the second variable is called case ID. So we can link the ID of the case to the task when we are creating it. Case ID. The type is test and is neither available for input or output. All right. So right now, let's go ahead and create our screen. Let's call it case information. We are going to create case. There are two requirements, and they are both pick list. The first required feed is status. So let's call it case status. It's required, and you have to do pick list choice set status. Object is case. Their type is pick list, and the feed is status. Done. All right, so the second pick list is origin. Let's call it case origin. Both status and origin are required for you to be able to create case. Pick list also. Going to create new resource. Sorry, it is pick list choice set. The API, let's say, is origin. Object is case. The other type is pick list, and the feed is origin. All right, we are done with our case info screen. So let's go for create records. Let's call it create case. We are using separate resource and literal value. Our object is case. So let's map what we created earlier. The first one was status. Map with our status that we created earlier. The second one is origin. Map with the origin that we created earlier. Then we have to map our account ID with the record ID, since we are relating with the account record page, record ID that we created earlier. Okay, but we have to manually assign the variable since we are actually relating it to an account. So we created a variable earlier called case ID. Click done. Okay, so since we are going to be creating tasks, so there is a need for us to link the task that we are creating with the account record that we are going to be relating our case to. So there's a need for us to get the account details. Let's use get records, get account details. Object is account. The field is ID equals record ID that we created earlier. Let's click done. All right, so let us now create our task. Action. Search for task. New task. Don't click create new task. New task is what we are using. Through quick action. So new task. Let's call it create task. Or create new task. Assign to get account details, owner ID, due dates. Let's create a new resource for that. Resource type is variable. Let's say the API is due dates. That type is date. Let's put our default value last day of this month. Oh, yeah, last day of this month. Click done. Let's put related record ID, which is our record ID that we created earlier. And let us put subject of the, let's put subjects. Let's put subjects, variable, account API name is subjects. Data type is test. And the default value, let's say it's call the client now. Okay, click done. We are done with our creation of our task. All right, so let us save it. Let's call it create task through account. Let's save it. Just activate it. So let's go and put it on account record page. Our flow is called create task through account. Just search for flow from here and drag it wherever you want to. Create task through account. Always pass record ID into this variable and save it. Let's go back. Our flow should be there now. Yes, our flow is here now. So let's create our case. Click next. Once you click next, our case should be created. This is our case created right now. Then the task, which says call the client now, has been created also. So I've shown you through this illustration. You can see that our due date is there. The subject is call the client now, and it's created by me, assigned to myself. Okay, so through this illustration, I've been able to show you how to create a case through a screen flow, relate the case to an account record, create a new task upon case creation through action element. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos as we post them on Salesforce How To Series. Thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate you. Enjoy your day. Bye.